Welcome back, DIYers. If you're like me and you have a ton of leaves in your yard, this is definitely a great tool for you. This is a great way to be able to get rid of all these leaves and other debris and other items like that in your yard. All you're going to have to do is place them in this top canister right here, and once this is full, you're going to turn it on. Super easy, just hitting this button right here to turn it on, and then it will make quick work of all of the leaves and other items in your yard. The entire canister of leaves right there will be turned to mulch within seconds, which is really nice, and it's super easy to use. Like I said, all you're going to do is place the leaves in there. You can see it just has a couple of different little wires in here that are going to just chop this up. Then it's going to place it into the bag, and this is what the mulch looks like. So if you want to use that and spread that somewhere, you can, or if you just want to put it out at the yard, and then someone will pick it up in the trash dump, whichever one you can do. But easy maintenance on this item right here. So once you're done, or once these little cutting lines are a little too short, or if they have just been worn out, then you can easily replace these. All you have to do is cut these out, which is super easy to use. You just grab some snips or even some scissors right here, and they would just pull right out. I have been able to pull them out myself. You can do that if you'd like to, but it's a lot easier just grabbing some of these snips right here and getting them out and pulling them out like that. You might even could use a wrench in order to get these out if you can't quite grab them, but super easy to change this. Then, in order to replace the new ones, it's super easy as well. All you got to do is feed them through right here, feed them through the edge, make sure they're pretty even and about the same length. Then you're going to feed them back right through the hole here, and they should be ready to go. So it's super easy, not a lot of maintenance. It also is not hard to put together. It's just a few different pieces. You're just going to pop them in, and they just kind of have clips. They just all clip in really nice and easily. But you can see right here, the new cords actually are pretty long, and that way it can reach the entire area. Sometimes these will get worn out on the ends, and they're not able to reach the entire place, which is kind of tough. So it's a lot easier if you can just change these cords and making sure that they can reach all the way to the end. That'll help you make sure that everything gets mulched up nice and easy. And like I said, we're pretty easily maintained here. All you're going to do is just place the trash bag right there on the bottom, and you can put the chipper on top right here. You can see the clips like I was talking about. All you have to do is just put those clips on, and then the top is actually connected to the chipper itself. And then on the very top you have, again, just another little ring right here, more or less a safety ring, just making sure that everything is nice and protected. But it's really easy to use. All you're going to do is just fill this up with leaves like I'm doing right here. You can grab your rake, fill this area up with leaves, and once you're done with that, you can hit the button again and it will go ahead and chip everything. It's pretty nice because it will do a ton of leaves, and again, you're able to get most of the leaves in your yard mulched up and cut up instead of having to go back and forth or fill these bags up. Instead of having to fill, multiple bags, this will take 1 or 2 bags in order to do your entire yard, which is really nice. So you can do that. You might have to kind of feed it sometimes if it's not really going. Just to show you guys that, I do recommend the other end of your rake or whatever item you have. But besides that, it has worked really well for us, and it's a great option, great tool, especially for anyone with a lot of leaves like me, has a lot of trees in their backyard. This has definitely been a great option for us. But if you're interested in a great way to get rid of all those leaves and not have to fill up your dumpster or whatever that might be, this is one I highly recommend you check out. Has worked really well for us, has lasted a long time as well, and it's really heavy duty, not hard to put together, and it's going to do a great job. So overall, this has been a great item for us. Highly recommend you check this item out. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. I also have a link down below for this item, and I'll see you in the next one.